In this tutorial, we will see that how to make cinematic title and cinematic LUTs. Now, open Filmora Mobile app. Then click on New Project and select your video here. Then click on Import. This is the footage where we will add text. Firstly, we will add some filter on it. Here, we are adding Space Station filter from Film category. Now it's looking good. For adding text, just click here on Text. Now create here some text like this. After writing, click on Font. Here are so many font. But we will use thinner font only because it will be for upper line. Here, I am using this Hill font. After it, place this text to their location by using your finger. It's looking better now. After it, duplicate this text layer from here and move down like this. Now click on Style and write here. Then click on Font. Now, select here ZY Oliver. Now, we will add some animation. Here, I am writing it in capital letter. I am selecting here black color. Here you may explore some other stuff, from which you can create some creative output. This is the interface of Filmora Mobile. Click here on New Project. Now select your videos here. First cinematic LUTs is Blade Neon. Select your clip and find Filter section here by scrolling. Click on Filter and then select Film tab. In Film Filter, search Blade Neon by scrolling. Now click on it. And then click on Adjust section. Here I will do some adjustment, so watch carefully. After adjusting, click on OK. Now, Blade Neon filter is applied. Second cinematic LUTs is Thriller. Similarly, open Filter section and then search Thriller filter. After selecting Thriller LUTs, click on Adjust. And here I will do some color correction, so watch carefully. After all correction, click on OK. Now Thriller is applied. Third cinematic LUTs is 7 Crimes. Similarly, click on Film section and then search 7 Crimes filter. Apply this filter and then click on Adjust. Now, adjust here your color combination to look cinematic by yourself. After adjustment, click on OK. Now 7 Crimes filter is applied. Fourth cinematic LUTs is Matrix Green. Simply search it in Film section. Now click on Matrix Green and then click on Adjust. I am doing here some adjustment, watch carefully. After adjusting, click on OK. Now Matrix Green is applied. Fifth cinematic LUTs is Batman. Simply search it in Film section. After applying, click on Adjust. Here also, I will do some correction, so watch it.